Hi guys, welcome to Recipes from a Small Kitchen, where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Super excited. I hope you guys are doing great today, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you this delicious codfish salad. It's healthy, it's full of flavor, and we're also going to be needing or using carrots, potato, among other ingredients. I hope you guys can make it and enjoy it. You can serve it as a side dish, or you can just eat it plain and simple as a codfish salad. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off. I have here 1 pound of cod. I just removed it from the package. I bought it in the supermarket, and later on we're gonna take out all the salt that it has. We're also gonna need 2 chayotes, 1 medium-sized carrot washed, 1 small red onion, and 3 medium-sized potatoes pre-washed. We're also gonna need 3 eggs. And right now in a bowl, I'm just washing off all the salt that the cod has. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and then wash it twice. So wash it one time, we drain it, then wash it again, and we drain it again. Now in my pot, I have my chayotes. I cut the vegetable in half and the carrots also. So we have the potato, the chayote, and the carrots. And I added my cod and my eggs. All of water. Now what we're going to do is we're going to boil it and cook it for 20 minutes on medium-low heat. After the 20 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to drain the vegetables and the codfish. We're going to set aside the vegetables in a plate to let it cool. And also the codfish, I'm going to quick wash it twice. So we're going to wash it at one time in cold water. It could be drain it and wash it again, and then just drain it again and set it aside. Now we're going to let the vegetables cook. That way it's easier for us to cut it. In the meantime, we're going to pickle our onions. So I have chopped my red onions, and I added 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and salt and pepper. Now we're going to cook our pickled onions in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to cook it for about 3 minutes until you see that the onion is nice and pink. It changes color. And then we're going to add our codfish. As you can see, I shredded a little bit the codfish. Nice and moist. And we do not need to add salt because as you know, the codfish has salt. We're going to set it aside and start peeling our vegetables. So I'm starting off with the chayotes. I'm going to peel that off, and then we're going to peel the potatoes. Super easy to peel once it's cooked. And now we are just slicing our potatoes. And we're going to cut our carrots as well. I peeled them off as well. And then our chayotes. And then our eggs. Super easy. You can see the color's amazing, and it tastes so good. Then the finished touch is we're going to add the codfish with our pickled onions on top. Sprinkle on top. And that's about it, guys. Super easy, delicious, and healthy cod salad.